हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम अस्पष्ट फलन जिसे इंग्लिश में इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन कहते हैं डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले इसकी डेफिनेशन। अ फंक्शन इन टू वेरिएबल्स x एंड y इज सेड टू बी एन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन if neither y can be expressed directly in terms of x nor x in terms of y. Example: x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus 2x plus 6y is equal to 7, x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 plus xy minus 5x equal to 7. इसी implicit function का हमें first derivative derive करना है. Theorem first. If the relation f of xy equal to c gives y implicitly as a function of x, then dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y, where del f by del y is not equal to 0. Proof. F of xy is a function in two variables x and y itself is a function of x. Hence, we can treat f of xy composite function in x, and by previous theorem, total differential coefficient of f of xy with respect to x is given by the relation df by dx equal to del f by del x dx by dx plus del f by del y dy by dx. Or dy by df by dx is equal to del f by del x plus del f by del y into dy by dx. But f of xy equal to c, therefore total differential coefficient df by dx is equal to 0. From first equation first and second, we get that del f by del x plus del f by del y dy by dx equal to 0, which implies dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y, where del f by del y is not equal to 0. Second derivative of the implicit function. From previous result, we have dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y. अब a का पुनः x के सापेक्ष अवकलन करने पर हम d2y by dx square डिराइव करेंगे, which is equal to the relation 2. del f by del x, del f by del y, del 2f by del x square, del 2f by del x del तथा del 2f by del y square को क्रमशः p, q, r, s, t से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो d2y by dx square will be equal to minus q square x, q square r minus 2ps plus p square t divided by q cube, or dy by dx will be equal to minus p by q. Example first. If the curves f of xy equal to 0, phi of xy equal to 0 touch each other, then prove that at the point of contact del f by del x dot del phi by del y is equal to del f by del y into del phi by del x. We have f of xy equal to 0. Therefore, by the definition of implicit function, we can write dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y. And phi of xy equal to 0 implies d phi by dx equal to minus del phi by del x divided by del phi by del y. Also, if two curves touch each other at a point, then at that point the value of dy by dx for the two curves must be same. Hence, at the point of contact, we have minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y equal to minus del phi by del x divided by del phi by del y, or del f by del x del phi by del y minus del phi by del x del f by del y equal to 0. Similarly, if example second, if f of xy equal to 0 and phi of xy equal to 0, then we have to prove that del phi by del x dot del f by del y dot dy by dz is equal to del f by del x dot del phi by del z. We have dy by dx is equal to minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y by definition of implicit function. Again, phi of xz equal to 0. Therefore, dz by dx will be equal to minus del phi by del x divided by del phi by del z. दोनों समीकरणों को डिवाइड करने पर हमें रिजल्ट प्राप्त होगा. Example 3. It is given that u is equal to ar raised to power n plus br raised to power minus n into cos n theta plus sin n theta. We have to prove that del 2u by del r square plus 1 by r del u by del r plus 1 by r square del 2u by del theta square. इसमें हम पहले del u by del r का मान ज्ञात करेंगे, del 2u by del r स्क्वायर का मान ज्ञात करेंगे, फिर 1 by r से दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और सारी वैल्यूज़ को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। दैट इज़ del 2u by del r स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by r del 2u by del r प्लस 1 by r स्क्वायर del 2u by del theta square. This will be equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Example 4. If x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, जहाँ r तथा थीटा t के फलन हो तो सिद्ध कीजिए A, B, C and D and E. Solution. We have x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Therefore, dx by dt will be equal to del x by del r dr by dt plus del x by del theta into d theta by dt. Or which implies dx by dt is equal to cos x dr by dt minus r sin theta d theta by dt, which proves the first part. Again, dy by dt is equal to del y by del r dr by dt plus del y by del theta d theta by dt, which implies that dy by dt is equal to sin theta dr by dt plus r cos theta d theta by dt, which proves second part. समीकरण b को x तथा समीकरण a को y से गुणा कर घटाने पर अभिष्ट परिणाम सिद्ध होगा। भाग a से d2x by dt square is equal to d by dt of cos x dr by dt minus under root of sin d theta by dt, which is equal to cos theta d2r by dt square minus sin theta d theta by dt dr by dt minus r sin theta d2 theta by dt square minus sin theta dr by dt dot d theta by dr minus cos theta d theta by dt minus dt by d theta by dt, which is ultimately equal to cos theta into d2r by dt square minus r sin theta dt d theta by dt square minus 2 into dr by dt d theta by dt minus r d2 theta by dt square into sin theta, which proves the result. Similarly, we can prove part D.